Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to set up your business using Tailor Brands. I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get your business up and running quickly and professionally. So, you're thinking about starting a business, that's awesome! But let's be honest, the whole process can feel pretty overwhelming. You've got legal paperwork, branding decisions, and about a million other things to figure out. The thing is, many entrepreneurs get stuck right at the beginning because there's just so much to handle. Well, this is where Tailor Brands comes in. They're basically your business setup superhero. What makes them really special is that they handle everything from forming your LLC to creating your brand identity all in one place. You see, instead of juggling multiple services and trying to piece everything together yourself, they've created this really smooth all-in-one platform that takes care of everything. Now, let me break down exactly what you get when you work with Tailor Brands. First off, they handle all your LLC formation paperwork. That means filing your articles of organization and making sure everything's properly registered with your state. Then there's the registered agent service, which is actually required by law. They'll take care of that for you for a full year. But here's where it gets really interesting. Tailor Brands goes beyond just the legal stuff. You also get this amazing branding package that includes a professional logo design, business cards, and even social media tools. Plus, they provide you with a website builder and domain name, so you can get your online presence set up right away. Let's talk about the investment, because I know that's probably on your mind. So with Tailor Brands, you're looking at their elite package, which is actually pretty reasonable when you consider everything that's included. The basic LLC filing costs start at around $399, which covers all your essential legal paperwork and registered agent service. Then you get all the branding tools and website features included in that same package. We're talking about services that would cost well over $1,000 if you purchased them separately. Getting started is actually super simple. First, you'll head over to the Tailor Brands website. I've included a link in the description below. Then you'll answer some basic questions about your business, like what you want to name it and what industry you're in. The whole process is really conversational and user-friendly. Now, this is where things get really cool. Once you've handled the basic business setup, Tailor Brands will walk you through their AI-powered logo design process. You'll answer questions about your style preferences and what kind of vibe you want for your brand. Their system then generates multiple logo options that you can customize until you find the perfect one for your business. After your logo is sorted, you can move right into building your website. The thing is, Tailor Brands makes this super straightforward with their website builder. You don't need any technical skills. They provide templates that are already optimized for your industry, and you can just customize them with your own content and images. But you know what really makes Tailor Brands stand out? The ongoing support. You actually get access to their business tools dashboard, which helps you manage everything from social media posts to business card designs. Plus, they send you regular compliance reminders to make sure you stay on top of all your legal requirements. So why should you choose Tailor Brands over other options? Well, the main thing is convenience. Instead of dealing with multiple different services, one for LLC formation, another for logo design, another for your website, you get everything in one place. Plus, all your brand elements will be consistent since they're all created through the same platform. Now, if you're ready to get started, here's what I recommend. First, use the link in my description to head over to Tailor Brands. This will actually get you their best available pricing. Then take your time going through their setup process. Make sure you have your basic business information ready, like what you want to name your company and where you want to register it. Well, that's pretty much everything you need to know about setting up your business the easy way with Tailor Brands. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. And hey, if you have any questions about setting up your business, just drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see what kind of amazing business you create.